Hello friend, today we learn pivot table function. So what is the function at all? If I have a lot of table and I want to do one report, how can I do this? Here I have the table of accessories, quantity, price, total, catalog number, currency, arrive, department, and the warehouse manager. The warehouse is Ronnie or Bonnie. Department, I have the sales and the warehouse department. So, what can I do? I press on Insert and then I press on Pivot Table button. Now, open me a box with New Worksheet or Exist Worksheet. Now I prefer New Worksheet. I press on OK. Then open me a checkbox, and if you see I have the filter, column, row, and the value, the number here. Now I take the accessories, quantity, price, and the total, and now I have a little report. Okay, if you see all the number here. Now if I want the warehouse manager, will be only Ronnie. Okay, remove Bonnie and I have only Ronnie, and then the number will be changed. Now if I want design my table, okay, I click on design and then I can have green or blue, so I take this. Now if I want to do hard report with catalog and currency, and I have a little missing table, what can I do? I press on click right and then pivot table option, and then I press on display, and then I take the classic pivot table layout. I press on OK. Now if I want to organize more my table, I have here, if you see, subtotal, accessories. If I remove the subtotal, I have more organized table. Now if I want to repeat all day everything, like here, I press click right and then file setting and the layout and print, and then I have repeat item label, and here if you see I have all the repeats. Now if I want Ronnie and Bonnie, I take them both and the number again change. Okay, let's do more table. Okay, I remove all what I choose and I take only the department. Now I can see what I have in the warehouse department and what I have in the sales department. And again, if I want to see only Ronnie, I can see, but if I want to do both, I can see here. Okay guys, let's do summary all the subject. Okay, in the first I take the insert and then I press on pivot table. I choose the file that I want in the checkbox and click right. I have two options: pivot table option display, classic pivot table layout, or I take the file setting and I take the layout and print, and I take the repeat item label. Okay guys, good luck with this.